Hello everyone, this is Professor Raghvendra Adhyapak, KLS Kokti College of Commerce, Belagavi. So in today's class, we are going to discuss about secondary market. So in the last class, we studied about the primary market. Okay. So what are the issue mechanism, how the shares are or securities are issued to the public in the primary market, that already we studied in the last class. Okay. So in today's class, we are going to start with the next concept called secondary market. Okay. So first we will see what is the meaning of securities market, that is secondary market. So secondary market is a market for the secondary sale of securities, which means the securities which are already passed through the new issue market or a primary market that are traded in this market. So generally such securities are quoted in the stock exchanges, and it provides a continuous and regular market to buying and selling of securities. So what will happen in the secondary market? So when the new issues is sold or purchased in the primary market, after that those transactions means further transactions or further exchange of the securities will take place in this secondary market. Means the securities which are already traded in the primary market, the next will be in the secondary market. Okay. For example, XYZ company is there. First time they wanted to issue the 100 shares. Okay. So first time they will issue in the where? In the primary market. Okay. Someone called person A is purchased those 100 shares. So after that, if that person A wanted to sell it to someone else, like person B, in that case he will go for the secondary market. Okay. So in simple words, we can say that secondary market is a market where the already traded securities or the securities which are already passed through the new issue market or primary market are traded. Okay. So basically in the secondary market there are two mediums. One is over the counter markets and the second one is stock exchange. Okay. So now we'll see one by one about this. So first one is over the counter markets. The OTC are the informal markets where the transactions are not take place physically but through the network. Okay. So in this market, brokers and the dealers are scattered across the country, and most of the government securities are traded over the OTC. So over the counter exchange में क्या होता है? Markets में maximum government securities are traded. Next is stock exchanges. It is an organized secondary market where the existing securities like shares, debentures, etc. are traded in a organized manner with the help of brokers. So brokers are nothing but members of the stock exchanges. So under the certain rules and regulations. So what will happen in the stock exchanges? The stock exchange में क्या होता है? Existing securities क्या होता है? Shares, debentures, etc. trade होता है. Okay. So with the help of whom? With the help of brokers, and that too they follow the certain rules and regulations or guidelines of the SEBI. SEBI means Security Exchange Board of India. Okay. So now we'll see what are the major stock exchanges in India. First one is National Stock Exchange, that we called NSE. Second one is Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. Third one is Over the Counter Exchange of India, OTCI. And fourth one is Regional Stock Exchanges.